Hello everyone, thank you for clicking on my video. Today I will share how to make delicious soft tofu. I hope you will like it. 413. Tofu is a food rich in calcium. Generally speaking, eating 4 tails of tofu can meet a third of the daily calcium requirement, which is more than drinking half a pound of milk. Moreover, there are many people in life who are lactose intolerant, so soy products are the best choice for calcium supplementation. Today's menu is preserved radish mushroom tofu. This tofu is tender and goes very well with preserved radish. The king oyster mushroom body has an almond aroma. The meat is thick and tender, the taste is fragrant, and it is rich in nutrients and really delicious. Let's start cooking. Ingredients are white tofu, king oyster mushrooms, and salted preserved radish. Chopped king oyster mushrooms. Stir-fry salted preserved radish until fragrant. Add king oyster mushrooms. One teaspoon oyster sauce. One teaspoon sugar to taste. Add water and simmer to release flavor. Add cornstarch water to thicken the stock. Drizzle hot water on tofu, then drain and set acid. Drizzle sauce on tofu. Drizzle sesame oil and let's eat. Hope you like my recipe sharing. Do share out this delicious recipe with friends and family, yeah. Don't forget to follow my channel so you can refer the recipes anytime you like in the future. YouTube. There are 2,000 of delicious recipes on my YouTube. Check it out for more delicious recipes, yeah. I like Easy Recipe because I believe that delicious food must be simple and quick to prepare. After all, there are so many things going on every day, right? There is also a bilingual version of my recipe. Chinese version will be available at 12 noon every day, while English version will be uploaded at 8:30 p.m. at daily basis. Welcome to follow and save all the delicious and easy recipes. Thanks for watching. Save this recipe now so you may refer back anytime in the future.